Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful camper comes equipped with bathroom tub shower combo, outside shower, decorative wood plank flooring, entry grab handle, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, outside storage, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, an awning, bathroom toilet, outside gas grill, stabilizer jacks, living area sofa, living area dinette, stainless sink, fire extinguisher, overhead kitchen storage, queen size bed, sleeps up to 6 people. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.